Look at all of this stuff that came out of this little closet. That we are getting ready to make into a cat closet. We already pulled up the carpet and painted over the walls with some leftover white paint. And now we are working on the special technique that my daughter's been wanting to try somewhere in the house. It requires flat walls with no texture, and this is one of the only areas in the house that has that. So we're testing it out in here. And so basically we have 4 little sample pot sizes of paint, 2 shades of pink, a yellow, and an orange. And we're just painting on little splotches of the paint, and then you use a damp rag and kind of blend them together. And then you use a spray bottle with water and you spray over the paint areas before they dry to get them to drip down the wall.
Jack it up. Jack it up.